The belief that aging automatically equals becoming frail is not just wrong, it's dangerously misleading. Scientific evidence reveals that after reaching 60 years of age, approximately 25% of individuals start experiencing muscle deterioration without realizing it's happening. This progressive condition is known as sarcopenia. While the term might sound intimidating, it simply describes the natural loss of muscle tissue that comes with aging. It doesn't occur overnight, but develops gradually. You may notice yourself getting breathless while carrying shopping bags, struggling more with climbing stairs, or feeling your legs grow weary after short walks. Most people believe eggs are the perfect protein solution due to their impressive nutritional profile. But what if I revealed there are foods containing significantly more protein than eggs that are simple to prepare, easy on your digestive system, and can help you preserve strength and independence throughout your golden years? What we are about to share comes from science, experience, and the deep wisdom of Barbara O'Neill, an internationally respected health educator and nutritionist who has dedicated her life to natural healing. She has spent decades teaching people how to use food as medicine, and what she discovered about protein-rich alternatives to eggs will transform how you approach nutrition as you age. Have you noticed recently that your body doesn't respond as it once did? Do you struggle to lift your grandchildren or maintain pace during family outings? If these scenarios sound familiar, this content will prove invaluable to you. In today's discussion, you'll uncover 5 remarkable foods that surpass eggs in protein content and are specifically designed for mature adults seeking to maintain strength, stability, and mental clarity. Stay with us until the conclusion, because the top item on our list could already be in your kitchen cabinet, though you've probably never considered it a muscle-building powerhouse. Before we continue, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Every subscription enables us to keep delivering valuable and research-backed information to you and your family members. Now let's explore this topic in greater detail. What makes protein so crucial as we mature? With each passing year, we accumulate knowledge and experience, but our bodies also undergo silent, gradual transformations. One significant change involves the steady decline of muscle mass. You might remain unaware this is happening until everyday tasks like rising from a deep chair or opening a stubborn jar become more challenging. This phenomenon is sarcopenia. It's not an illness but a natural aspect of aging that can be effectively managed, particularly through proper nutrition. Protein serves a central function in this management strategy. Protein doesn't just preserve muscle tissue, it also facilitates tissue restoration, fortifies immune function, and helps your body remain active and limber throughout each day. The difficulty lies in the fact that as we grow older, our bodies become less capable of processing and utilizing protein efficiently. Therefore, rather than requiring less, you actually need more. Regrettably, many seniors make the error of consuming insufficient protein, believing it's gentler on their system. However, the outcome is quite the opposite: accelerated muscle deterioration, balance problems, increased fall risk, and diminished mobility. The encouraging news is that with the proper protein-dense foods, you can provide your body with everything it needs to stay strong. It's not about consuming larger quantities, it's about making wiser choices. You must select foods containing superior protein that's readily absorbed and perfect for your age bracket. Shortly, we'll present 5 unexpected foods that surpass eggs in protein levels, while also helping enhance recovery, joint health, and energy. First, let's recognize the importance of eggs. Undoubtedly, they're popular for good reason. They're economical, quick to prepare, and filled with all the essential amino acids your body requires. They're certainly beneficial, but they're not unmatched. Most individuals don't know that 100 grams of eggs contain merely around 13 grams of protein. By comparison, several foods not only exceed this protein amount, but also include special compounds that particularly help older adults maintain and rebuild muscle more efficiently. While eggs deserve their place in your diet, depending on them as your primary protein source could mean you're overlooking more potent, nutrient-rich alternatives. In the following section, we'll unveil 5 foods that outshine eggs, all supported by scientific studies and nutrition professionals. Prepare to enhance your meals and help your body age with vigor and assurance. Number 1. Fish. Fish stands as one of nature's most complete protein sources, yet many people underestimate its remarkable benefits for seniors focused on maintaining muscle strength and overall vitality. While eggs receive widespread recognition for their protein value, fish delivers substantially more nutrition. A 100-gram serving of cooked salmon provides approximately 25 grams of high-quality complete protein, nearly double what you'd find in the same amount of eggs, which offers only 13 grams. This significant difference becomes especially important for older adults whose natural muscle-building capacity decreases with age. Beyond protein content, fish contains exceptional levels of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, which provide powerful anti-inflammatory benefits. These healthy fats help reduce joint stiffness, support heart health, and may even protect against cognitive decline. For seniors dealing with arthritis or other inflammatory conditions, regular fish consumption can provide natural relief while supporting muscle recovery after physical activity. Fish also supplies abundant amounts of vitamin D, a nutrient that becomes increasingly difficult to obtain as we age, especially for those with limited sun exposure. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in calcium absorption, bone strength, and muscle function. Deficiency in this vitamin is linked to increased fall risk and bone fractures in older adults. For optimal benefits, aim for 150 to 200 grams of fish twice weekly. Choose fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, or tuna for maximum omega-3 content. Preparation methods matter significantly. Avoid heavy breading or deep frying, which can negate the health benefits. Instead, try baking with herbs, steaming with vegetables, or grilling with a light coating of olive oil. Number 2. Greek yogurt. Often overlooked as a serious protein source, Greek yogurt contains remarkable nutritional power specifically beneficial for aging adults. With approximately 20 grams of protein per 100 grams serving, it significantly outperforms regular eggs while providing additional health advantages that support digestive wellness and bone strength. What makes Greek yogurt particularly valuable is its high concentration of casein protein, which digests slowly and provides sustained amino acid release over several hours. This characteristic proves especially beneficial for seniors, as it helps prevent muscle breakdown during periods between meals and throughout the night when the body naturally repairs and rebuilds tissue. Greek yogurt also delivers substantial amounts of probiotics, beneficial bacteria that support digestive health and immune function. As we age, our digestive systems often become less efficient, and maintaining healthy gut bacteria becomes increasingly important for nutrient absorption and overall well-being. The calcium content in Greek yogurt supports bone density, while its B vitamin profile, particularly B12, helps maintain energy levels and neurological function. Many older adults struggle with B12 absorption, making Greek yogurt an excellent dietary source for this essential nutrient. Choose plain, unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugars that can cause blood sugar spikes. Aim for 150 grams daily, which can be enjoyed with fresh berries, mixed into smoothies, or used as a base for savory dishes with herbs and vegetables. Number 3. Hemp seeds. These tiny nutritional powerhouses pack an impressive protein punch that surprises most people. Hemp seeds contain approximately 31 grams of protein per 100 grams, making them one of the most protein-dense foods available while remaining completely plant-based and easy to digest. Hemp seeds provide all 9 essential amino acids in optimal ratios, qualifying them as a complete protein source. This characteristic proves particularly valuable for seniors who may have difficulty consuming adequate amounts of animal proteins or those following plant-based diets. Rich in healthy fats including omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids in ideal proportions, hemp seeds support heart health, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy skin. They also contain significant amounts of magnesium, which supports muscle relaxation, sleep quality, and bone health, all crucial concerns for aging adults. The fiber content in hemp seeds promotes digestive health and helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing the energy crashes that many seniors experience after meals. Additionally, hemp seeds are naturally rich in iron, zinc, and phosphorus minerals that support energy production, immune function, and bone strength. Start with 2 to 3 tablespoons daily, as hemp seeds are calorie-dense. They can be sprinkled on yogurt, blended into smoothies, added to oatmeal, or mixed into salads. Their mild, nutty flavor makes them versatile for both sweet and savory applications. Number 4. Spirulina. This blue-green algae might look unusual, but it's considered one of the most nutrient-dense foods on Earth. Spirulina contains an astounding 65 grams of protein per 100 grams, making it the highest protein food by weight. While most people consume much smaller amounts due to its concentrated nature, even a small serving provides significant protein benefits. Spirulina offers complete protein with all essential amino acids, plus it's incredibly easy to digest and absorb. This makes it ideal for seniors who may have digestive sensitivities or difficulty processing other protein sources. The protein in spirulina is highly bioavailable, meaning your body can efficiently use it for muscle maintenance and repair. Beyond protein, spirulina provides exceptional levels of antioxidants, particularly phycocyanin, which gives it the distinctive blue-green color. These antioxidants help combat inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which increase with age and contribute to muscle loss and chronic disease. Spirulina also contains significant amounts of iron, B vitamins, and beta-carotene, supporting energy production, immune function, and eye health. Some studies suggest spirulina may help lower cholesterol and blood pressure, additional benefits for cardiovascular health in older adults. Start with 1 teaspoon daily and gradually increase to 1 tablespoon. Spirulina has a strong earthy taste that some find challenging, so mixing it into smoothies with fruits like banana or mango can help mask the flavor while providing additional nutrients. Number 5. Nutritional yeast. This deactivated yeast might be unfamiliar to many, but it deserves recognition as an exceptional protein source for seniors. Nutritional yeast contains approximately 50 grams of protein per 100 grams, along with a complete amino acid profile that rivals animal proteins. What makes nutritional yeast particularly valuable for aging adults is its exceptional B vitamin content, especially B12. Since B12 deficiency becomes increasingly common with age due to decreased absorption, nutritional yeast provides a reliable dietary source that can help maintain energy levels, support nerve function, and prevent cognitive decline. The protein in nutritional yeast is highly digestible and doesn't cause the digestive distress that some seniors experience with other protein sources. Its light cheese-like flavor makes it versatile for many dishes, and it can easily be incorporated into daily meals without dramatically changing taste profiles. Nutritional yeast also provides significant amounts of folate, thiamine, and riboflavin niacin, B vitamins that support energy metabolism, heart health, and cellular function. Additionally, it contains trace minerals like zinc and selenium, which support immune function and wound healing. Use 2 to 3 tablespoons daily, sprinkled on salads, mixed into soups, or blended into sauces. Its savory, slightly nutty flavor enhances many dishes while providing substantial nutritional benefits, creating balanced meals for healthy aging. Maintaining health as you age doesn't require complicated meal plans or expensive supplements. Success comes from making intelligent, consistent food choices that nourish your body's changing needs. Combining these protein-rich foods creates meals that support muscle maintenance, bone health, and overall vitality. Consider this powerful combination. Greek yogurt as a base, topped with hemp seeds for additional protein and healthy fats, mixed with fresh berries for antioxidants and fiber, and a sprinkle of nutritional yeast for B vitamins. This simple bowl provides complete nutrition that supports muscle health, digestive function, and energy levels. Another excellent option combines baked salmon with steamed vegetables and a spirulina-enhanced smoothie. This meal delivers high-quality protein, anti-inflammatory compounds, and a wide range of vitamins and minerals that support healthy aging. The key lies in consistency rather than perfection. Regular consumption of these nutrient-dense foods, combined with adequate hydration and appropriate physical activity, creates a foundation for maintaining strength, independence, and vitality throughout your later years. Remember, as Barbara O'Neill has taught countless individuals, food truly is medicine when chosen wisely and consumed consistently. These protein-rich alternatives to eggs offer powerful tools for combating sarcopenia and supporting healthy aging. Your body deserves the best nutrition possible, and these foods provide exactly that. If this information has been helpful, please share it with family members and friends who might benefit. Together, we can help more people age with strength, dignity, and vibrant health.